In this video, I'll tell you all about GlyNAC. If you're over 45, you should probably be supplementing it. GlyNAC. What is it and why do you need it? What are its benefits? Where can you get it? How much should you take? So what is GlyNAC? GlyNAC is a combination of glycine and NAC, N-acetylcysteine. Glycine is an amino acid, a compound that your body uses to create protein. NAC, N-acetylcysteine, comes from the amino acid L-cysteine. Glycine and NAC serve as building blocks for glutathione. Glutathione is an essential antioxidant for oxidative stress regulation and immune function. It remains relatively constant in humans until around age 45, after which it declines sharply. The traditional view was that all oxidants were considered harmful to cells, leading to damage and dysfunction in mitochondria, cellular powerhouses. However, recent experiments suggest a more nuanced approach, highlighting oxidants as stress-induced signals prompting cells to become more efficient and repair mitochondria. Combining glycine with NAC is emphasized as a powerful duo for longevity and overall health. This combination offers benefits such as combating oxidative stress, supporting cellular health, promoting detoxification, and potentially extending lifespan. The strategy encourages moving away from direct antioxidant supplementation in favor of providing the body with precursor amino acids to support cellular glutathione production, thereby addressing specific cellular needs rather than a broad approach. It is important to continue supplementation for sustained benefits, as discontinuation leads to a reversal of these improvements. Research and medical studies support the conclusion that supplementing with GlyNAC will support adequate levels of glutathione. Having adequate levels of glutathione is associated with lower oxidative stress, improved insulin sensitivity, induced mild fat loss, and enhanced physical function in older individuals. It also improves mitochondrial and physical function, and it reduces inflammation levels without any reported adverse effects. It shows the potential to extend lifespan. A study done with mice showed a 24% increase in their lifespan when given the GlyNAC supplement. Good levels of glutathione are associated with potential benefit for individuals with conditions like diabetes, heart disease, or high blood pressure. Low levels of glutathione are associated with various health concerns, such as poor mitochondrial function, accelerated aging, oxidative stress, and the onset of common conditions like diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. A GlyNAC aids in muscle growth and repair. It aids in creatine synthesis, collagen formation, and glutathione production, contributing to improved exercise performance, muscle integrity, and recovery post-exercise. Glycine supports joint health by aiding in collagen production and reducing inflammation in joints. Glycine supports cognitive function. Glycine positively impacts neurotransmitters. It shows the potential to enhance memory retention, cognitive performance, and promote a sense of calm and mental clarity, possibly reducing stress and anxiety. Research suggests that glycine supplementation can enhance sleep quality by helping individuals fall asleep faster and experience fewer nighttime awakenings, leading to more restorative sleep. GlyNAC is potentially helpful in people with Parkinson's, showing neuroprotective activity. GlyNAC shows the potential to help with conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Human studies involving supplementing with GlyNAC show great promise. Results from a study involving aged individuals over 65 who were given NAC and glycine showcase positive improvements in body composition, energy, mitochondrial health, and metabolic markers over 8 weeks. This combination supports healthy aging by supporting cellular glutathione levels, offering a cost-effective means to combat toxins present in the environment. Certain biomarkers associated with aging were improved in a 16-week study involving GlyNAC supplementation. This study showed improvements in oxidative stress, mitochondrial function, blood pressure, and waist size due to increased glutathione levels. A pilot human clinical trial conducted by researchers at Baylor College of Medicine reveals that supplementation with GlyNAC could improve many age-associated defects in older humans to improve muscle strength and cognition and promote healthy aging. In a medical study, older humans taking GlyNAC for 24 weeks saw improvements in many characteristic defects of aging, including glutathione deficiency, oxidative stress, mitochondrial dysfunction, inflammation, insulin resistance, endothelial dysfunction, body fat, genomic toxicity, muscle strength, gait speed, exercise capacity, and cognitive function. The benefits declined after stopping supplementation for 12 weeks. GlyNAC supplementation was well tolerated during the study period. Glutathione plays a significant role in detoxifying the body from environmental pollutants and free radicals. Studies that have explored the use of NAC and glycine combinations in individuals with severe conditions, including during the COVID-19 pandemic, show promising outcomes in supporting immune responses and reducing stress on the body. Medical findings support GlyNAC as a contributor to maintaining a robust gut lining, thus supporting digestive health. Medical findings also support GlyNAC as helpful in combating autoimmune disorders. A study conducted in August 2022 focused on older individuals aged 61 to 80 years old. The study involved 24 older patients who underwent a 16-week trial with GlyNAC supplementation. The study observed significant impacts on the older patients' glutathione levels after using GlyNAC. The participants received 100 milligrams per kilogram of body weight for both glycine and NAC, as these are precursors to glutathione production. This amount translated to a substantial dose of supplementation, emphasizing the importance of these precursor amino acids in enhancing glutathione levels, which in turn affected various health markers. Effects observed included improvements in muscle strength, walking speed, hip-to-waist ratio, body fat, blood pressure, oxidative stress reduction, enhanced mitochondrial function and energy, decreased inflammation, better nutrient sensing, improved insulin resistance, endothelial cell health, genomic health, stem cells, and reduction in cellular senescence, collectively contributing to anti-aging effects. We caution against using direct glutathione supplements due to their instability and potential interference with the delicate balance of oxidants and antioxidants within cells. Unlike direct glutathione supplements, glycine and NAC merely provide building blocks for glutathione without disrupting its cellular regulation, thereby preventing reductive stress. It is important to allow cells to regulate their own glutathione levels by supplying these essential amino acids through a combination of N-acetylcysteine, NAC, and glycine. The combination of glycine and NAC in GlyNAC is asserted to aid in synthesizing glutathione more effectively compared to directly supplementing glutathione, which often gets degraded in the gut. Foods like spinach, avocados, asparagus, and okra also contribute to glutathione production, although aging and exposure to stressors can limit its availability. A quality source of this supplement can be obtained at a discount from Do Not Age. Please see the link in the description below. The dosage recommendations vary with age, emphasizing that individuals over 45 might benefit from GlyNAC supplementation due to declining glutathione levels. However, the optimal dosage remains uncertain, suggesting a starting point of 1.2 grams per day, 600 milligrams of glycine, and 600 milligrams of NAC, subject to individual adjustments and further research. Additionally, it is recommended to take NAC and glycine in the evening to align with the body's circadian rhythm, as antioxidants tend to be more active during sleep. It is advised to consult a healthcare professional, particularly for individuals on blood pressure or blood clotting medications, or those with medical conditions, before starting GlyNAC supplementation. If you're 45 or older, I suggest you start supplementing with GlyNAC. The benefits are significant and wide-ranging. Medical studies show this supplement is well tolerated. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you. For now, stay healthy and see you in the next